Today's question is loose jeans with kurta. Well, let me show you some styling ideas, not just with loose jeans, but in general, jeans with kurta. Let's go. The first look is this loose denim with a simple black kurta. The kurta is very work appropriate. The denim is a toned distressed denim. I'm wearing black chappals with a structured bag to give it a business casual look. This is the second look with the same denim, and I'm wearing a chikankari, hakoba, whatever style of kurta you want to wear. I'm wearing black chappals with a sling bag with some fusion earrings. The whole vibe that I'm creating is casual day out. Then there is narrow fit denim. Narrow fit denim almost gives you like a churidar or a pant, cigarette pant structure. So that with a solid kurta, or this one, the kurta with your koti jacket and chappals. If you're keeping your kurtas absolutely formal and just taking your fitted denims, they will become absolutely work appropriate. This is again fitted denims, A-line kurta. I've popped some accessories and I can wear this for brunch. I can wear this if I want to go to a friend's house. Kurta with denim is the most easiest fusion style that one can create. So I've shared these couple of looks to give you ideas on what all you can do. The hierarchy scale changes on the kind of kurta and denim that you wear. I have a fantastic Indian wear to work course. It is one of a kind. Nobody's done it. If you're interested, just write in the comment section course and I'll send you the details. If you have any more questions on this, let me know.